One of the biggest reasons hustle fail is burnout. I know you've seen all the hype about ChatGPT, but you're probably thinking, how do I use this to make money without being some type of tech genius? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can turn ChatGPT into your 24/7 business partner and start an online hustle from scratch. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just clear steps. You can start today. First thing, if you don't know what type of hustle to start, let ChatGPT do all of the brainstorming for you. Type in, give me 10 online business ideas I can start with no upfront cost and minimal tech skills. From there, ChatGPT will give you a list. Things like digital products, print-on-demand stores, social media management, or even reselling. Pick one that excites you the most, because that one that excites you is going to keep you consistent. Once you have your hustle idea, ask ChatGPT to map it out for you. A great example would be create a step-by-step 30-day plan for launching your business idea. Now you have a daily to-do list you can follow without overthinking. This keeps you from getting stuck in research mode and pushes you into action mode. The fastest way to grow your hustle is to provide content or a product or a service people want. ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, or even scripts like this one. Here's the trick. Be specific with your prompts. Instead of saying, write me an Instagram post, say, write me a 100-word Instagram caption about why budgeting is important, with a friendly tone and a call to action. The better your prompt, the better the result. One of the biggest reasons hustle fail is burnout. Doing too much manually. With ChatGPT, you can create email templates, automate customer replies, and even plan 30 days of social media posts in minutes. This frees up your time to actually focus on delivering your product or service, or just living your life. So here's your challenge. Pick one hustle idea and use ChatGPT to map out your first week. Don't wait until you feel ready. You'll learn way faster by doing. If you want more step-by-step guides like this, hit subscribe, because I make videos showing you exactly how to start and grow your online hustle, even if you're starting from zero. Like I always say, I have a lot of value and a little time to share it. Peace, family.